Hey, this is Gatlin with TracSeats.com, and today we're going to show you how to install your Trac seat suspension kit on your zero-turn mower. Our seat suspension kit includes installation instructions, the included bolts, washers and lock nuts, and the suspension kit. The first thing you'll need to do is flip up the seat. On some model tractors you may have to unbolt this plate for it to come up. Then you'll disconnect the safety switch and remove the 4 bolts. After you have the seat removed, you can now remove the tracks from the seat. You'll have to slide the tracks up to get to the other bolts. This lever will actually get in the way of the suspension, so if you have a mower with the lever on the inside, you'll want to swap the tracks to each side. And now you'll install this side of the suspension kit directly to your seat. You'll want to feed your seat safety switch wire through this little hole in the suspension kit. Some models may require some additional wire to extend the seat safety switch. Depending on what seat your mower has on it, it may require additional washer spacers to allow enough clearance for the seat safety switch. The easiest way to make spacers is just with additional washers. Just stack as many washers as you need to allow the clearance between your seat and the suspension kit for your seat safety switch. And then bolt the suspension kit to your seat. Now it's time to reinstall the sliding tracks to the suspension using the included bolts. And like I said, we're going to mount the tracks on the opposite side so the sliding lever will not be in the way of the suspension. Okay, so the suspension has slotted holes, so you'll want to measure your bolt pattern on your mower, and then you'll want to double check the measurement here to make sure we have it lined up right. So 11 1/4. And 11 1/4. And then we'll tighten up the bolts. Okay, now it's time to mount it to the mower and connect the safety switch. If you mount this directly to a mower without sliding tracks, it will not work at all. It will not move up and down. So you have to incorporate some kind of spacers, such as washer spacers like I talked about earlier, or you can get 1/2-inch tubing and drill holes through the tubing and mount in between the seat suspension and the mower. Then you will install the original nuts. I'm going to make sure the seat is lined up correctly and sitting straight. And then reconnect the seat safety switch, making sure that it's not in the way of the suspension travel. And that's all it is to it. This little suspension kit makes a big difference in your ride. I personally really like it. It's made a big difference in this mower and the ride of it. If you'd like to purchase one of our suspension kits for your mower, just click the link below or go to tracseats.com. If you have any questions, just comment below or send us an email at sales@tracseats.com or give us a call at 888-416-8722.